All get together, all get together, all get together, all get together. When the rich and the poor get together with the Lord, get together with the Lord. They'll treat each other like sisters and brothers when they all get together with the Lord. Now when they all get together, when they all get together with the Lord, they'll treat each other like sister and brother when they all get together with the Lord. Now when the weak and the strong get together with the Lord, get together with the Lord. The weak are no longer afraid of the stronger when they all get together with the Lord. Now when they all get together, when they all get together with the Lord, the weak are no longer afraid of the stronger when they all get together with the Lord.
Now when they
all get together, all get together, all get together, all get together.
Now when the tall and small get together with the Lord, get together with the Lord.
Get together.
Soon realize they are the same size when they all get together with the Lord.
With the Lord.
Now when they all
oh yeah, get together. When they all get together with the Lord, they'll soon realize they are the same size when they all get together with the Lord.
Now when we all
oh yeah, get together. When we all get together with the Lord, there'll be singing, there'll be shouting, glory, hallelujah.